Hi Chris, how are you? How's everything going?
Everything's going fantastic, and it's really nice to see you again, Naina. I haven't seen you since I've been told about your prize that you achieved in the December 2022 SBL exam. Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
And how are you doing now?
I'm doing great, especially after December 2022 success. I've been just trying to keep low and trying to live the moment. How's SBL going?
SBL is good. The students, as always, have those few issues about, not being able to collect marks from just simply memory dumping knowledge. But you managed to crack all of that, all of the techniques that we went through.
So what are the changes that are happening in the SBL 2023 exam?
Okay, so from September, there's no major change to the syllabus. So that's pretty much staying the same. There's two big changes, I would say. One is it will become a 3-hour, 15-minute exam, the same as all of the other professional exams. But the biggest change is the students will receive the case study 14 days in advance of the real exam. So that means they can work on it before going into the exam, which obviously you didn't have that opportunity.
So what would you recommend the students to do now that they know that they will have a pre-seen material?
Firstly, book on the course. So, yes, the courses that I will design will be structured for this new approach. So there'll be tuition, but again, as you know, I will really emphasise the approach to passing. And when the ACCA release the pre-seen, from revision onwards, we will work on the pre-seen. So I will produce material that specifically links in to that pre-seen material, so that when they go in the real exam, there'll be no major shock.
What is your strategy or approach for the SBL exam?
Okay. So, as you know, I'm very much into structure planning answers. So I have 3 steps for the structure plan, and then I have an additional 2 steps in terms of the contents. The advantage with the new approach is that we will have the case in advance. So we can actually practice finding the information on the case that they will have in the real exam. As always, I take into account the examiner's comments about no marks for knowledge, but very importantly, one of the areas, as you know, where students have problems is taking into account the recipient that you are producing your answer for, whether it's a report, whether it's a memo. As you know, because you've gone through this, you have to take into account who that recipient is. And again, I will focus on that during the tuition and revision.
That was a lot of information to take in, but thank you so much for this conversation.